The bad boy aesthetic is characterized by a rebellious and edgy style. It embraces elements of a rugged and mysterious persona, combining a mix of dark and bold fashion choices. This aesthetic is not only about outer appearance, which of course is important, it's about the person themselves too. So if you think your personality and vibe matches with this aesthetic, then you click right video. Firstly, start with hair. Opt for hairstyles that exude a sense of rebellion and individuality. Popular choices include a short, slicked back style, messy fringe, or faded sides. It all works for this aesthetic. Clothing. Achieving the bad boy aesthetic through clothing involves incorporating edgy and rebellious elements into your style. Here are some clothing items commonly associated with this aesthetic. 1. Wear dark colors like black, charcoal, and dark gray for a moody vibe. 2. Jeans. Opt for ripped or distressed jeans for a rugged and worn-in appearance. 3. Boots. Leather boots, combat boots, or biker boots can enhance the overall aesthetic. 4. Leather jacket. A classic staple. A black leather jacket adds an instant edge to your look. Accessories. Accessories are often chosen to complete an outfit and complement the wearer's look. Metal accessories like chains, bracelets, and watch can add a touch of rebellion. And in last, tattoos. A lot of popular modern tattoo styles work great with the edgy aesthetic. Just remember, these are permanent and a lifelong commitment. So if you think you're not ready to get tattoos, don't do it. But if you are, here are some amazing looks you can get inspiration from. And that concludes our video on the edgy aesthetic. Remember, the key is to mix and match these items to create a style that reflects your personal interpretation of the bad boy aesthetic. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe. Thank you.